To replace what looks almost identical. So this is a new mixer valve, shower mixer. Let's hope this one works better than this one. So even with this at its maximum, as you can see, it's right at the maximum setting calibration, and it's still only 30 degrees. But we know we can increase the temperature right up, which is something we can't do in the shower. That's the temperature you want from a hot tap, especially when it's on hot only. This needs replacing. Before we can replace the shower mixer, this is hot on this side, cold on this side. Water needs turning off, so it'll be the mains water. I don't need to remove this. Loosen them off. And off she comes. Little drip, nothing much. So this is the 41. I'll show you how I calibrated it in a minute. Right, next we put the new valve back on. It is marked red, that's the hot side, and blue the other side. So fix that back on. Right, you don't need to do as much uptight because quarter turns is all it needs. Not that high. Right, moment of truth. Turns on nicely. No leaks. Also, I don't know if you can see that, it's steam. Water is hot and it's only set, well, medium. So it's at 38, whatever that is. Just prove it to you. That's what I'm looking for. 30 degrees last time, and that was with it set absolute maximum. And all we got it set to is the calibration halfway. I'll be able to enjoy hot showers again, or at least warmer. No, I don't get a cold. Anyway, job done. Apparently they come with 10-year warranty, so keep the receipt. That's what I would say, because this one went wrong. Probably three years old. I wouldn't think it's more than that. After a further investigation, a screw comes out of here, and then you can remove the cartridge. And it comes off, and then you can see how this thing works. There's a hot port. It's obviously, it comes from the hot side and comes along. Let's come along here, and then there's a port inside, just inside there, and this must move in and out. It's the wax, it's the sensor, and then that shuts off or opens the hot water. So this sensor thinks it's hot and it isn't, so it's probably stuck. This plunger thing's stuck and it's not able to open. So to calibrate one of these, you would have the this will be fixed to it. You have to remove the cap, and once you've got the cap off, you undo the screw. And there's a screw. Once the screw's off, you can lift this off. Right, the way this is calibrated is that you turn this. So at the moment it's fully anti-clockwise, so it's fully open, so it should have been red hot. So if I put this back on, you can't turn it anymore that way. So if that was too hot, what you do then, you turn this knurled screw the other way, so that'll go back clockwise. You would turn it to a temperature that you like. It's calibrated 37 degrees. And then, as you can see, perfect.